susunduin namin si Ate and Jen. So, they flew back from Canada to attend our ceremony. So, I'm so excited to pick them up. Grabe, ang tagal namin hindi nagkikita. Like, 5 years na. Since before pandemic pa. Kasi syempre, nag-pandemic. So, no flying. So, this year, mag-revenge flying. Revenge flying!
Dark na yan!
Mag-revenge travel pala sila. Last 2 weeks, kakagaling lang nila ng Europe. So, ngayon naman, Asia naman sila ngayon, Philippines. So, sakto lang din. So, yun. 1 hour early sila dumating. What the hell? So, naghihintay na sila dun. Na ano ako dun. Naalipungatan ako dun. Sabi nila 5:30 daw sila magla-land. So, nag-time ako ng 1 hour from 10. Kasi syempre matagal. Eh, yun nga. 4:15 sila dumating. 5:15 sila nakalabas. Diba? It's not my fault na maalis sila nag-land. Basta, kung ano sinabi niya lahat din, yun ako nag-alarm. So, yeah. Ang ganda lang ng sunrise. Ngayon lang ulit ako naka-abot kita ng sunrise. It's been a while. So, yeah. Lapit na kami. See ya! Gonna see Ate na later. And Jen. Sawadika!
Main faces kasi.
Sawadika! Hello! We're in Bangkok! Sawadika!
May memorize siya kanina. Hi, my name is Dexter.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. Nalimutan ko.
Yeah. Hi, Ma! Guys, look at what we booked! It's a party!
Guys!
Nico, I didn't choose this! Oh my gosh, ang cute! Sobrang cute nito. Okay, aliw na aliw po kami.
We sakto 44 minutes.
Yes!
Go. It's so cool!
Super cool! It's a party in here!
May bottle.
We're in Bangkok!
Super super cute ng grab van na nabook namin. Hindi namin pinili ito. Pag sundo sa amin din na tayo. We're back!
Free upgrade.
Yes!
Thank you.
Guys,
We're here at the hotel.
We're at the hotel and we just checked in and we found out all our rooms are upgraded.
We're staying in the same hotel as last year kasi nagustuhan namin yung hotel rooms dito. Kasi kompleto siya.
So, the honeymoon card
Didn't
is very effective.
Hi guys, update. So, nakapag-settle in na kami sa hotel kanina and we're here at Central World Mall. So, we're about to eat our late lunch. But, nakapag-breakfast ka na ba?
Early dinner na nga to.
Yeah, late lunch and early dinner. So, we're here at Kubpla. Guys, we're with Ate Hana and Jen. Mga balikbayans from Canada.
Vancouver.
So, recently nakuha na niya yung Canadian visa niya.
Ang visa?
Passport pala! Nagalit! Congratulations!
And then she got her visa. Like, I didn't go
Lagi na ako, ano sa mo visa?
We're with Dex and Andrea.
Tagal namin hinantay na makasama dito sa vlog.
Tapos punta ko online.
How's
We
the
are
food?
so bloated. It was so delicious. How do you say thank you in Thailand? Kapangwa? Kapangwa? It's French. It became French.
It's not French.
Kamusta ang food?
Yeah, I'm done.
Dre, how's the food?
Sarap. Kulang. Magmamago sticky rice.
How's the food? Dex?
Delicioso. No words. Same.
That's so good. I'm gonna go back.
It's already 6:19 and tatapos na namin mag-dinner.
Sobrang
So the food is five piggies.
So we're gonna have dessert now. We're gonna look for sticky rice. Or after yung buns.
Yung Nutella buns, nakamiss yun.
Sarap talaga nun. So sana may Nutella sila ngayon. So,
Kapatay natin sa mga balikbayans natin. Okay guys, try out Kubpla kasi it's 5/5. 5 piggies for everyone.
ang dami na.
Hirap kuhain. Mainit yan ha.
Oh.
No joke, mainit yan.
Hindi ba ito yung
Hi guys, we're back at the hotel. It's already 7:56 and nasa na kami. How was your day?
pagod? Tiring.
Sobrang pagod.
Fun.
Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Guys, we'll go ahead. Rest na kami.
Eat that yet, most dear. So crispy.
Hey guys, welcome back to R&B TV!
So for today's vlog, as you already can see from the title, we're back in Bangkok! Ano ba yan? Bakit mo nakakainis tong katabi ko. But but this visit, last year yung ano namin, di ba, Bangkok, first Bangkok together.
Yeah.
This time, we are married! So we just got married 3 days ago, an intimate civil wedding, so.
So this is
For
our
long
post-celebration.
It's our
Take it to
celebration.
Maps.
Yeah, from our family and with our family. Yay! What's good is we totally used the honeymoon card. We all got
Upgraded!
grade.
So yung place natin ngayon, yung hotel room natin, mas malaki pala ngayon. As compared to last year. Parang ano siya, presidential suite.
Nag-room tour kami last year, so mag-room tour din kami ngayon. You'll see how big the difference is.
So mag-room tour na tayo.
Okay, so that's the room tour. Di ba sobrang laki for 2 packs lang?
Oo, parang kami sa yung bahay, condo unit dito sa Bangkok.
1-bedroom condo na to in Manila.
Super complete pa ng mga appliances, kaya talagang binabagbaga namin tong
Oo.
Grand Center Point.
And for the price, guys, it's a 5-star hotel. For the price and the location, so much. Thank you so much, Grand Center Point at Chidamri.
Yay!
Not sponsored, but
Thank you for the upgrade!
we booked ours via Klook, as always. So anyway, what are our plans today?
So we're planning to go to malls around us kasi medyo mainit ngayon kasi it's summertime. Parang mall hopping lang tayo since we visited naman na the temples we like to visit from our last Bangkok trip.
Yes, we're just gonna
And
ride
then-
the Sukhumvit line from MCOR to Emporium, and then we'll go back here. Oh no, we're gonna buy Mayvari pa, yung authentic mango sticky rice.
And then siguro we'll be meeting up with the siblings later on kasi yan, temples nga sila eh. Kami sa malls lang. So ayun na namin mainitan.
Yes.
Medyo mainit talaga.
Today naman, may bayad din yun, so why? What's the point of this? Yeah, I'm so excited for that. It's already, ang hirap
10:25.
10:25. It's already 10:25. Open na yung mall, so we can go na. Let's go.
Let's go!
Day 1 fit check. Siyempre, pang sa hotel. So, I'm wearing a white basic tee from Shopee. My floral shorts from Atherin. And sambas.
Mine is from head to toe. Head to toe! My top and bottom is from Zara. And then, my shoes, NBs. So,
Anong klaseng NBC yan?
2002R.
2002R. Sobrang comfy niyan. My sambas are also very comfy. Kaso I put tape dito sa harap. Kasi doon ako napapaltos. So that's the fit for today.
NBs for long walks. Sobrang comfy na pagka
Yes.
long walks.
And pro tip for sambas, yung mga sumasakit din yung paa, just put insoles para may arch support. And then you can walk all day. Okay, let's go.
Hey guys! Today's the next day!
Hey!
So, ang agenda nila is magka-temple today. We're still with Hannah, Jen,
They're all eating
Dre, and Lex.
fruit.
Maps din.
And me!
We're having a fruit buffet.
This is basically us every single time. So, yung
Right.
tawanan lagi, rinig na rinig sa hallway ng buong floor namin. So, we just went down to get coffee and hot chocolate.
Kasi sa baba, may unlimited. From 7 a.m. to 7 p.m., may unlimited drinks. So you can get anything you want. May mocha, may cappuccino, Thai milk tea, hot chocolate, double hot chocolate, Sobrang sarap. Tsaka choco tea, sobrang sarap.
So,
That's what we
imagine that everyday mong inumin yun. Kahit unlimited supply ng coffee.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're going to M. Corte, tsaka Emporium in Sukhumvit area.
Hi guys, we're at Quezon Amara. Amari. So, itong mall na to, tsaka yung katabi na chinek out na kanina, sarado pa nung last time na pumunta kami dito.
Naka-close off pa siya for renovate, for construction. So
Ganda ng
they're
mall.
both open.
Ikot lang kami dito.
Get lang. May na-spot ako na store, Even Boy. It has skincare, makeup. It's like Sephora of Bangkok. So let's go. Okay guys, so we just left Even Boy dito sa Quezon Amarit. So we're now heading to M. Corte. Mag-aano kami, we're gonna take the BTS going to M. Corte. Isang line siya, Sukhumvit line lang from Central World going there. It's around 30 minutes. So nakakaano,
Ang bilis lang.
ang bilis lang. Ang init guys, grabe yung singaw. Kahit nasa shade kami. Kahit nasa shade kami, grabe yung init. Ang feel namin sa face. Kaya it's perfect yung neck fan ni Ira.
Hi guys, we're just waiting for our train going to Phrom Phong. Hirap i-pronounce nung location.
Tama ba? Sorry for butchering.
So yun yung our next location for the next mall agenda.
So we're gonna hit up 3 malls there. M. Corte, Emporium, tsaka M. Sphere. Yun yung mga 3 malls na magkakadikit lang din. So after that, we're going to Mayvari na to get mango sticky bro.
Yun!
We're here.
Guys, we're heading to M. Corte.
That's our first stop in this area.
So magkakadikit lang yung mga malls kasi isang mall nakita na ni Mumi sa kabilang side naman.
Oo.
Natawid na lang kami.
First time namin dito kasi dati doon lang kami sa Central World area.
Yeah. So we're trying out new malls para naman makakita tayo ng ibang area ng Bangkok, Thailand.
So we're now off to explore the M. Corte area. We took the BTS train for about 15 minutes from Central World and got off at Phrom Phong, and now we're here. This is an upscale mall that is split into 3: the Glass Quartier, Helix Quartier, and the Waterfall Quartier.
Nako, may nabudol na.
They house many brands like Golden Goose, Ami, Sephora, and many more signature brands. We love this area connecting the quartiers as the open layout is so refreshing and pleasing to the eyes. Just look at that greenery. Would have loved to stay longer, but we had to leave for the next one. Next stop is Emporium Mall. We were already quite hungry, so we decided to grab lunch at the market here.
It's lunchtime. It's already 1:30 p.m. Gutom na kami. So we got the grocery. Parang ano to? Parang lechon kawali. And we
got salmon samshimi and pork teppanyaki one. And for snack later, we also got salmon and egg sandwich.
Wow, it looks so fresh. Laki niya na. Sarap. Hindi fresh. Oh my God. Itis pala niya. Ang soft niya.
So we happened to see this ice cream gelato stand, and they have Daifuku gelato, guys. Shit. So it's a touch of Japan and Italy. So let's try it. I got the flavor Perfect Duet. Kinuha ni ate. Basta it's yogurt with Biscoff. And Ral got the Sunday's Best, which is Banoffee. Para ka ng PLP. Yogurt with biscuit. Sobrang chewy niya.
So, slice muna natin.
Wow, may technique.
Sa ayaw pa din.
Di ba masyado siyang sticky? Ang sarap.
Getting some sweet potato from kasi wala pa siyang food. That looks so good.
Hi guys! Wala ng energy.
We're now walking to M Sphere. Grabe, the minute we exited Emporium, sobrang init.
First time namin makalakad sa ano na to, overpass.
Yes.
Medyo kakaiba yung ano nila, structure. Nakakaaliw.
Ang ganda din kasi sa mga plants.
Yeah.
So yun lang.
sabi mo?
Yes!
Bugis! Sabi mo sana tayo.
Sa M-Sphere pa rin kami, guys. So, ang ganda dito.
Ang laki ng food court.
Yung space niya, kita mo lahat ng foods from everywhere. Ang ganda. At pala dito na kami kumain, guys. Alam lang namin. Of course, we have one tray per person. One each kami.
Got the goods!
The goods! Goods secured. So, ito talaga binabalik-balikan namin dito sa Bangkok.
Yeah,
May
authentic
very good shop.
mango sticky rice.
Yes, grabe sobrang init pa nung ano.
Bagong-bago luto ng coconut cream.
And then yung, of course, yung pinipig nila, sobrang sarap sa crunchy,
Yeah.
crispy, lahat na.
Sobrang bilis ng turnover ng mango sticky rice sila. Lahat bagong luto.
And guys, they accept credit card, so that's good.
Okay, mabalik na kami ng hotel.
Back to hotel kasi ito talagang request ni mom, so bigyan muna namin sa kanya.
Hi guys, we're back at the hotel
Nagulat ako.
and we're eating
The mango,
mango sticky rice.
Kala ko talagang may tao dumating.
So mom actually is healing from a knee fracture. So nandito lang siya sa hotel.
Staycation.
This whole trip, staycation siya. Ang sarap. So we're just accompanying her to eat mango sticky rice.
Kain tayo.
Let's eat!
Ibang-iba yung lasa niyan kaysa doon sa binili.
Hi guys, kakatapos na namin sa Platinum. Wala naman kami nabili. Medyo nag-ikot lang tayo ng steps and we're going back sa place ng hotel namin. Or sa area ng hotel pala. Yay! Dinner time! Sobrang nakaka-drain yung init dito.
Guys, so we're in Dekcha right now. It's a food center in Platinum Night Mall here in Bangkok. So, pumunta yung mga kasama namin from the temples. Kaya, dito muna kami kakain. Sobrang mura ng food. Yung crab meat fried rice nila is 100. Walang lalabas ng 200.
Dumating na yung crab meat rice.
Yeah, like ito yung crab meat. So, this one is 100. 100 pa. Grabe. So,
Yung side comments.
Mga 150 yun.
Crab meat. Daming side comments.
Eh, yung taga-ano namin, taga-home.
Guys, sobrang lifesaver na tong neck fan. Link down below kasi all day siya naglalas ang battery. Tapos may level pa ng 1, 2, 3 kaya yung buong stay mo sa labas ng Bangkok. Sobrang bearable because of the tech pass.
Especially during summer here in Bangkok. Grabe talaga. Ito, okay, bibili okay, bibili daw niya.
200 plus for 2 hours a month.
Tingnan mo naman yung quality difference nga. Oh,
By the way, this is Jisoo Life. Kaya talagang quality
quality.
brand. Link down below, guys.
Ito rin guys, lifesaver na Jisoo Life Fan. So power bank na rin siya, tsaka may flashlight. Sobrang, oh my gosh, I love you! Let's eat muna, let's eat. Orders complete. So we ordered oyster omelette, crab meat fried rice, and stir-fried beef with oyster sauce.
Guys, ito yung gusto ko matry dito sa Bangkok. Kung anong lasa ng oyster omelette nila. Ito parang hindi mo kung anong oyster sauce. Mukhang sinabaw lang.
Parang
Pero let's taste kung masarap.
watered down na oyster sauce.
Daming tao sa restaurant nila, so feeling ko masarap yung food. Ito
Yeah,
pa lang
me
masarap na yun.
Yeah, sarap yung fried rice guys. So, let's eat!
Yay! Kaya na!
Sila naman kumakain. So, sarap na food. So, it's Dextra.
What the heck?